woods. As soon as I get up here, I'm going right in the woods, so he can't even follow me. Bye-bye. Should have brought the dirt bike. I had to show the little girl some love. I think I'm tearing her apart this week. I got a leaky fork seal. So I gotta address that. I gotta pull my forks off and shit. So now that the 80's back up and running, I can rip that bitch for a while. But I think it'll be like a 1 to 2 day turnaround, he said. So, but I got front fork seal leaking on the left side, so I'm just gonna do them both. Got a new tire for it, and my new plastics are gonna be here and all vinyl up and stuff with the Fiesta wrap. So hopefully she'll be looking all pretty again, because I destroyed them when I crashed, so I had to get new ones, and they should be done here shortly. He was saying he didn't like how it stuck, so he got some different material for me too, so I'm like, oh, fucking right. Basically wore off this Hoosier tire out the back. 18 and a half hours I think on it so far, and about 500 miles, 400, somewhere, I don't know, it's a shit ton of miles. So, but I ended up ordering the same back tire, so stick with Hoosier for right now until somebody else leads me otherwise, or leads me in another direction or something. And it actually sounds like we have a set date for going to Utah. Looks like we're going to be doing 5 miles of hell. We're going to be going there the weekend. I believe it's September 25th, Zach said. So you guys can stay tuned for that. In a few months we'll be going there. It's going to be me, Zach, Slade, and Aaron. So there's going to be 4 of us. Maybe we'll pick up a 5th guy. We'll see. Put the word out there and see if we can get anybody else dumb enough to come over there with us. But that should be a fun trip. Nobody, aside from Zach, he claims he's done it, but I've seen how he rides this kind of shit. That kind of shit. So I don't know. We'll see. It's going to be new territory for all of us. All of us are used to this shitty 4-wheeler stuff, not actual, just strict dirt bike stuff. So it's going to be nice. It's going to be a good change of scenery. Like reality check for most of us. We're going to realize how bad we actually suck at riding. I already know I do. Everybody else thinks they're God. I'm like, you guys are terrible. Oh, Dad, wasn't that cool?
Yes.
This one sucks. It's not winding this thing all like the 125. You can barely hear this damn thing. I don't even hear him anymore. See, this is why we need helmet communication things. For shit like this. So Cena, if you're watching us, hit us up. We need a sponsorship. But other than all that stuff, I don't know, what else do we have coming up this summer? Probably riding all the time, track stuff. We just got the rest of of the parts for Aaron's 325, so we're hoping that that thing will be back together and running for this weekend. We don't have anything going on this weekend, but it's always going to be nice to have another bike ready in the garage, because this thing's going to be down. So I'll at least have the 80, 125, and then hopefully the 325 is going to be back up and running tonight. We had to split the case because the bearing exploded inside of, they had oh gosh, ESR Racing 325 big bore kit on it. I think that's, don't quote me on the name. They did the big bore kit and it eliminates the mechanical linkage power valve and it goes to like a vacuum setup. So what they did is they took out the spinny part of the power valve that turns and shit like that. Took that out, they left the bearing in the case, and then from there it just vibrated loose, because that thing will give you shaken baby syndrome even as an adult. It vibrates, holy hell. So it vibrated out and it got wedged somewhere. It broke the case of the bearing in half, and we found about 7 or 8 of the balls inside the transmission, dented into the gears and shit. So we had to order a new gear set for it. Got all that, got it back together, and this gear set must be tighter or something, because now it doesn't want to shift, and we're looking at the little fins for the shift drum on the end of it that the shifter actually turns, and those were just wore out, and it apparently doesn't like it, so it wasn't shifting right. So we got a new set of those. Just showed up today, Amazon special. So that should be up and running hopefully. Around here by fucking four-wheelers. Well, we were playing in the park and there's a magical forest full of dirt bike rocks. Wow, cool. Comes out at. I was wondering why people were climbing this, why there's so many fucking ruts in it that I hit. Now I gotta be able to see the ruts right there. He was up there. I kind of aided on the 80 last time I went up there. Did not realize that there's ruts there, so I had to take my big boy bike and see what was going on up there. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Just had to get out, get rid of the Monday blues. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button, send butthole pics. But until next time, peace!